140. Yeah, I'm kind of pointed up in the other direction. That's why I'm surprised I'm even hearing you. I'm pointed up there to the northwest corner, so I'm a little bit at the side of you. So, all right, have a good one. 140, 243 in Great Lakes. Good numbers back to you. Happy day after Christmas. Yeah, you need to turn down. Whoa. Turn that off on an underground plane. You need to turn that down there towards the bayou and talk to old bayou boy, man. That guy's a trip. Got to meet him down there in Manchester and stuff, man. That guy's a blast. Yeah, I heard him in there. He was holding his own, that's for darn sure. But I heard some other big strappers in there right on top of him. I heard up there in the northwest corner or whatever, but I didn't move the antenna, so. Yeah, I didn't hear nothing but him. Where I was pointed, nobody in the northwest or west was coming in there at all. Yeah, his dang antenna's like 60-something foot long. Yeah, I heard that. I heard he was talking about he was running a 4-pill or something. He